How do you recruit new members for your team?
Preparation in early November, and we did a big recruitment drive for kind of engineering people as we were starting to prepare to do our 3 projects that are ongoing right now. By doing that, we were able to recruit a large amount of people. We did that through, it was just a Microsoft form, and then we reviewed everyone's applications and then sort of sorted them into teams where we felt their expertise would be best fitted. So now, right now, we're not accepting any engineering recruits, but we are looking for kind of business, marketing, and public relations people, as that's something we've kind of found is lacking.
What can members learn from being in your team?
Joining our team and you're in UL, you first off learn an awful lot about rocketry. Don't really have an awful lot of space-specific modules or courses within our aeronautical engineering course or the other real courses in UL. So you're really getting your first chance of learning about rocket dynamics. Hopefully they'll get to learn about propulsion in the future, but that's not something we offer at the moment. If you're working on, say, our electronics team right now, you're really getting hands-on in terms of like working on our flight computers, the electronics for our ejection system, which we're going to touch on later. Our payload right now is very unique. You'll be learning about AI if you're working on our payload. You're learning about structures. For an awful lot of people who are in first year or second year, they're actually getting to learn about stuff before they get to do it in university or in their actual coursework. It just makes it something that's attractive for people to do. So it's not just like, doesn't mean that they're just putting time into this and not getting anything out of it. They know that, okay, I'm in first and I've spent the last 6 months working on this rocketry project, but I know that the knowledge I've gotten in this will make a module in 2 years' time that much easier because I've already spent time rubbing shoulders with fourth years and third years who've done this kind of work. And also, I think myself, I've learned an awful lot about working in a team, just coordinating with people and like project management and making sure things kind of run smoothly. And even, I suppose, Sean could like back me up on this, in setting up this and working on it, you learn an awful lot just about organization and having to speak to people and how to like just communicate with external sources, talking to sponsorships, potential sponsors, communicating with university about funding. And it's just, it's a wide range of engineering skills, I think, that really help to complement what you learn in UL.
Doing any sort of project alongside your engineering degree is so worth it. Like Dara was saying, you gain a lot more skills when you're actually applying them in practice in something like this. So that's something that's been really worth it. And as well as the engineering skills, as Dara just mentioned, the team building, the teamwork skills that come from it as well are very important.